Hello everyone, I'm Maxine Henry. I serve as the project co-director for the National Hispanic and Latino ATTC. Welcome back to our video series. Isn't it amazing to think that we're already in August? This month, our National Hispanic and Latino A and PTTC would like to support August's Overdose Awareness Month and International Overdose Awareness Day, which takes place annually on August 31st. This day was established in 2001 in Melbourne, Australia, not only to commemorate and acknowledge the loss of loved ones due to overdose, but also to create a safe space for families to grieve. The campaigns developed by the international group have also focused on informing people around the world about the risk of overdose, stimulating conversation about overdose prevention and drug policies, providing information on fatal and non-fatal overdoses, and just as importantly, sending a strong message to current and former people who use drugs that they are valued. To find out more information about the International Overdose Awareness Day, get stats and facts, and to learn how you can get involved in campaigns around the globe, we encourage you to visit www.overdoseday.com. The COVID-19 pandemic has affected all our lives in various ways, and overdose rates have not been an exception. As a matter of fact, Salud America posted an article that includes a CDC report stating a historic spike in overdose deaths during the pandemic. This spike essentially undid much of the progress our communities made in 2018 and 2019. Latino community members were hit especially hard. Of those who responded to the CDC survey, stress-related drug use rose drastically during the pandemic, with 21.9% of Latinos reporting an increase in pandemic-related stress, and 65% of Latinos reported losing their jobs due to the pandemic. This information is important to remember as the CDC reports that before the pandemic, the drug overdose rate among Latinos grew by 158% between 2014 and 2017. And in 2020, there was an increase of 29% in the number of overdoses from opioids, reaching 92,000. Therefore, the pandemic exacerbated behavioral health conditions for a community that was already vulnerable to overdose. Additionally, the social distancing protocols initiated during the pandemic forced many service delivery options to reduce services and, in many cases, close completely, leaving little to no options for care for those individuals experiencing substance use disorders. While we know the numbers are rising and that the Latino community is especially affected by this phenomenon, there are ways we can bring awareness to overdose and overdose risk so we can work together to reduce this risk and to save lives. First, you can get involved with free local training. For instance, did you know that you can get training and access to naloxone or Narcan at no cost to you? Narcan is a life-saving opioid overdose reversal medication that prevents death, and those who carry and administer Narcan are covered by the Good Samaritan Law. Or reach out to our ATTC and PTTC staff to get additional training and technical assistance by local experts on resources for overdose education and prevention. If you or someone you know is living with a substance use disorder, there are opportunities for help. Engage in conversation about harm reduction if abstinence is not possible at the moment. Reach out to a local peer organization to find out about peer-to-peer options for engaging in recovery activities. If it is an option, talk to friends and family so they can be part of your support system. Losing someone to an overdose is not easy, but there should not be shame involved. If you have lost someone to a drug overdose, we encourage you to seek support. Find ways to acknowledge the loss. Give yourself space to grieve. And if you are willing, share your experience with others who might think they are alone in this type of profound loss and grief. Let's find more ways to take care of each other. Thank you for watching this video. Remember, you can find this content in Spanish and Portuguese. Come visit our pages next month for new content, and we invite you to join our Juntos network to get a first glimpse at our upcoming events. Please share this with your family, friends, and colleagues. Stay safe, healthy, and remember, we're all in this together. Until next time, thank you. Bye.